In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a regular cabinet into a high-tech litter box. But first, let me introduce you to Bwibbles. She will be assisting during the conversion and final testing of the new litter box. Since Bwibbles is a ragdoll cat, she always wants to be close to us, so we had to find a perfect spot for the litter box that's central, convenient, and attractive. We have a cabinet in our laundry room which holds a hamper, and the cabinet is the perfect size to convert to a litter box. Since our laundry room is conveniently located right off of our great room, Bwibbles can remain close by during a litter box break. It was time to design the litter box to fit into the cabinet and also add some features to make it attractive and more compatible with a central living area. First, we planned to remove the door, since Bwibbles likely wouldn't want to go through a small cutout in the door. Next, we decided to buy a large storage box that would fit perfectly into the available space. To prevent guests from noticing the contents of the box, we planned to add sheer curtains on the front. Since this area of the home can be quite dark at night, we planned to add a motion-detecting automatic nightlight. And finally, given the open concept nature of our house, we decided to add an electronic air purifier that would be triggered by motion. This video will take you through the process of the cabinet to litter box conversion project from start to finish. Let me take you through all of the components we purchased. All were bought from Amazon. We ordered magnets that we planned to use to keep the curtains in place. We wanted it to be easily removable when the curtains needed cleaning. We also ordered a 110-volt motion-activated nightlight to be mounted inside the cabinet. Of course, everything had to meet with the approval of Bwibbles. We bought a motion-activated air purifier that removes odors after she exits the litter box. It detects that motion has stopped, and then it starts purifying the air. We bought some sheer fabric to make a curtain so that it would let the light through, but that she could still have a little privacy, and guests wouldn't easily notice unsightly contents of the litter box. We bought a mountable scooper to install on the side of the cabinet. And finally, we purchased a power bar to connect the electronic components inside the cabinet. If you want to undertake a similar project, here is a list of tools that you will need: a screwdriver, a drill and bits, and construction adhesive. Now we'll take you through the conversion step by step. We started by removing the cabinet door. Next, we removed the countertop. Then we used a large drill bit to create a notch at the top of the cabinet to feed through our cable for the power bar. Next, we pulled out the cabinet for easy access. Our quality control supervisor had to come for a look. Next, we marked the spots to drill to screw in the power bar to the top of the cabinet. Then we drilled the holes and screwed the power bar into place. We affixed self-adhesive for cable tie mounts to route the power cord along the side of the cabinet, so Bwibbles couldn't reach or play with the cord. We also fastened the cable using cable ties. Next, we measured and marked where to place the magnets and used construction adhesive to attach one side of the magnets to the cabinet. Bwibbles came to inspect our work, and then we let the glue dry for a few hours. Then we plugged in the nightlight and the air purifier. Bwibbles gave us lots of encouragement as we replaced the cabinet and plugged in the power bar. Next, we attached the scooper. It came with a holder with adhesive already on the back, so this made for an easy installation. We replaced the countertop and installed the litter box. We used a large, clear storage bin that we got from the paper supply section of Amazon. Before we wrapped up this part of the conversion, we tested the nightlight and air purifier. And sure enough, they worked. But we weren't done yet. Every 5-star litter box needs curtains. We decided which part of the pattern we wanted to use and then measured and cut the fabric. This was tricky fabric to work with because it was so sheer and slippery. Bwibbles kept a close eye on things to make sure we didn't make any mistakes. Sometimes she got a little too close. She wasn't too sure about those scissors. We sewed up the edges of the curtains and hung them using the magnets to hold the curtains in place. Finally, the high-tech litter box was ready for Bwibbles to check out. Bwibbles wasn't too sure about the curtains. She needed a little bit of encouragement to venture inside the first time. But she figured out the exit all on her own. We also tried it out with the curtains tied back, which is her preference, at least until she gets used to it. Bwibbles also tried out the litter box at night, and the automatic light worked like a charm. And in the morning, there was an odor-free present waiting for us, thanks to the work of our electronic air purifier. I hope you enjoyed our high-tech litter box conversion. Don't forget to like and subscribe.